Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about Beats Flex earphones with one side that is not working. I'll be going over a simple and easy peasy tutorial for fixing the problem. Let's get right into the video. I will be outlining 4 easy steps that you can try out, and hopefully one of them works and fixes your problem. Now I will say, the Beats Flex earphones, as well as pretty much all Beats earphones and headphones, to the best of my knowledge, are super reputable, super durable. They're meant to be used and abused. So with that being said, this is a rare occurrence from what I've been reading, but it's good to know some steps to fix the problem in case it is happening to you or in case it might happen to you in the future. So the first thing that you want to try out is to wiggle the cable. So number 1 is wiggle the cable. So as you can see right here, there is actually a cable that connects both of these earphones together. Let's try and get it on camera. I'm going to move the camera back a little bit, give you a better view. I'm filming this in my basement bathroom. That's why you see a vanity and some backsplash tiles. And here I am over here filming away. My wife is upstairs. The kids are all napping / doing their quiet time. My wife is upstairs with them, so it's my chance to get some work done. And then I can relax tonight when it's really late and everyone's asleep. Anyways, you want to wiggle the cable. That's the first thing that I said without going off on a tangent. There's a cable that connects the two. You basically want to just put them in your ears and just sort of wiggle this around and move this around and see if this helps. If that helps, that means that there is a hardware issue with some of the wiring inside of here. So try that out and see if that works. If that doesn't work, move on to step number 2, which is to disconnect from the device and reconnect it once again. So essentially you want to disconnect the Beats Flex earphones from the device and reconnect them to the device once again. You can also completely forget the device, like forget the Beats Flex Bluetooth device on your actual phone, for instance, and then reconnect them again fresh. And you can also try them out with a different device. If any of those things work, then most likely it is the device that's a problem, or it is the connectivity between the Beats Flex and the device. Maybe it's not only your device, but maybe it's the connectivity. So you can try disconnecting them and reconnecting them and try them with a different device. See if that helps, and then you know the problem is not with the actual earphones, but with either the connectivity or your device itself. If that doesn't help, you're going to move on to number 3. Which is to get these cables right here and press them into the thicker pieces. So you can see right here, these are the thicker pieces that I'm talking about. Get these ends of the cables, sort of press them into there, wiggle them around, move them around a little bit, because maybe the problem is actually in the connectivity between these wires and the thicker pieces. So kind of press them inwards like that, move them around, see if that helps. And if that doesn't work, you're going to move on to step number 4, which is pretty much your final result. Pretty much your final resort, I should say, your last resort, the last thing you should try, which is to reset the earphones. Now, luckily for you, this is really, really easy to do. All that you need to do to factory reset them is essentially hold down the power button and the volume down button together for about 15 seconds. After you've held them down together for about 15 seconds, this little light here is going to flash red a couple times, and then they will be reset. You're going to have to obviously connect them to your device again, but hopefully that works, and it was just an issue with like a software issue internally with the earphones. You just have to factory reset them, and hopefully that helps. But that's it. Those are 4 things that you can do to hopefully fix this problem with your Beats Flex earphones. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a nice, big, healthy, awesomely amazing thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.